Hello, good evening, everyone. Myself Indrajit. We are in the fifth part of Class 8, Chapter 1 NCRT book. The name of the chapter is Natural Resources and Their Use. So, once again, welcome. And today's part is going to be very interesting one because a very important topic, paradox of plenty, we will discuss in this video. So many of you will be confused what is paradox of plenty, right? But I will make it clear, very clear to everyone. So let's start today's class. In the previous class we have discussed everything, water, natural resources and all that. Today we are going to discuss about the distribution of natural resources and its implications. In the previous class, in the fourth part, we discussed different types of natural resources and where they are located. And I told you that natural resources are unevenly distributed. What is the meaning of unevenly distributed? It means they are not divided equally, or they are not divided in equal manner at all the places. Different types of minerals, they are located at different places in different amount. So mean to say, resources, natural resources are distributed in uneven manner, right? Okay. So distribution of natural resources and its implications. As I told you, distribution of natural resources that, see, when we talk about the resources which are found at different places, having resources is not enough in a particular area. It is the industries are very essential. Industries, knowledge, skill, technology, all those things are very essential to take out those resources and make valuable use of it, right? And industries are set up where there are natural resources, because once they get the resource, they will create employment opportunities, that area will prosper, flourish, so many business activities will be carried out, so many factors. But before that also, you may be knowing that there are so many factors which affect the location of any industries. Land is required, land, capital, then raw materials, electricity, transportation, everything, so many things are required. Okay, but we are not here to discuss all those factors. I'm just telling you that natural resources, wherever they are found, it is very essential to set up industries nearby, because it will create employment opportunities. People will start going to that place, that area will be little bit crowded, it will be populated, that area will become developed. So wherever the resources works, there will be development. The resource can be in any form. I'm just giving one example of water. Cities developed near water. So water is a resource, water is a natural resource. And that's why those cities which were attached to water source, they developed, because trade activities carried out through waterways. Since past so many years, it is still in practice and it will remain. This is the fact. Got it? So, we have talked about this. Now, location of industries, I told you. And sometimes it leads to conflict also. When there is a resource doesn't think about boundaries. There is no political boundary for a resource. Who has created boundary? We. Means the people, the government. Having resource, sometimes it creates conflict at the national and international level. At national level, when we talk about, let's take the example of Kaveri River. These four, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, they are fighting over the distribution of water, Kaveri River water. State government, central government, they are engaged in this. And the judgment, Supreme Court is giving the judgment, and Supreme Court has decided that how much percentage of water should be given to which state. Though water is a resource and uh, it doesn't have any boundary, but because of political conditions, what is happening? There is fight between all these: Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Puducherry. And you know, all these are Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, all these are there in the southern part of India, right? Now, one important thing: Mettur Dam. Where is Mettur Dam? Mettur Dam is in Tamil Nadu, and this dam has been built on Kaveri River. It is given in the book right somewhere. And I think you all are having your NCERT class 8 book. Without book, please don't see the lecture. It will not work. You must have your book with you when you are attending my lecture. Right? Okay. So, Mettur Dam, it is built in Tamil Nadu on Kaveri River. Now, next we see the most important about the topic about whom you all are waiting for. The natural resource is a curse or paradox of plenty. Now, what is the meaning of this? The natural resource is a curse, sharp hai, or paradox of plenty. What does it mean? In exam also it comes. It simply says that if you are having natural resource in abundance, any natural resource, but you don't have industries, the government is not taking step to take out that resource and make valuable use of it. If the government is not taking step, is not setting up industries, and the government is not employing skillful, knowledgeable people, the government is not using technology to make use of that resource, then will it lead to economic development? Never. So what is the use of having that resource? That's nothing. So only to have resource is not going to work. There should be industries. The government should take initiative. The government should make use of skill, knowledge of the people, technology to take out that resource and make proper use of it. Then only it will be useful. Otherwise, it is of no use. So this is what having only resource, and if the government is not using technology, knowledge, skill, and all that, and government is not able to make proper use of that resource, if the government can't is not able to convert that resource into valuable things, as I told you, the economy of that state or of that place will never grow, right? So having the resource is not the only thing, right? So this is what it is: natural resource curse or paradox of plenty. Having the resource only is not going to work. So in today's video, what we have discussed about the distribution of natural resources. We have discussed about the location of industries. There are so many factors, right? And we have discussed about national, international, there are trade relations also. It is carried out, and it totally depends upon where that resource, the geographical location of that resource is very essential. If how national international trade is carried out, it totally depends upon where that resource is present actually. And if it is located at that place, then national international trade can be carried out, right? We have discussed about Mettur Dam, which is in Tamil Nadu, and it has been built on Kaveri River. And Kaveri River dispute is between four: Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Puducherry. The government, they are asking for the water, and water division work is going on. It is totally upon the direction of the Supreme Court. And as I told you, natural resource doesn't look for political boundary. It is free gifts of nature, right? So who has created this political boundary? We human beings, right? Next we see the most important, the question may come, what the natural resource curse or paradox of plenty. We have discussed these things, so write in detail. So, and one important thing, whatever the things you are studying here, please make a note of it, note down, and try to go through it. If you will give at least only 30 minutes, no, only 30 minutes daily, your social science will become strong. It will be a good subject for you. You will start taking interest. Only 30 minutes and you will see so many changes. Those students in the beginning who were not taking interest, they will start taking interest. Right? So, attend my lecture. What? And I am teaching only in English. It may be difficult for some children, but I cannot speak Hindi. Next thing is, this lecture is for all the students, all the teachers, and all the UPSC or any public service commission aspirants. It is for everyone because small things I will tell you. Like one important question, you should check that where is Kaveri, between which states Kaveri river dispute is going on. The option will be given and you have to tick mark, right? So this is one of the important question. In general exam also it comes and in exam also it may come. So, and second, Mettu Dam. Mettu Dam, where it is located? It is in Tamil Nadu. On which river? Kaveri river. So these are the two GK questions, right? So if you'll attend my lectures, I will make you understand all the things. Okay. Thanks for today.